Just a quick comparison. This is a Coleman Mach 13,500 air conditioner. That's how noisy it is. If you're trying to listen to a TV, you have to put it at 100 decibels. Well, this is one of those on TVs from Walmart. So here, this is how quiet a mini split is. This is a Pioneer mini split. See how quiet that thing is compared to that noisy air conditioner? Yeah, and it uses a lot less energy. And with all this insulation in here, even when I don't turn the thing on, I don't have to really turn it on until like late in the afternoon because it retains the coolness for quite some time.